squish. Hey guys, squishy haul for no reason because I'm just bored. Okay, I have a lot, so we're gonna be here for a while. Okay, don't mind my hair. It's so bad. So first, this purple like dumpling. It's like really fake, but like I really love it. It's really like feels good. Then I have this cheese. Like this is really fake cheese. Then I have this swirl needle that comes in a 4-pack, but one completely popped. It's so good. Now I have this dragon fruit squishy that's fake. I got it off Amazon. Then I have the needle 4-pack. Nice ice babies. Just so good. My favorite is the pink one. It's just so cute. Next, I have this Taba chick squishy. And then I have this jellyfish squishy. This is like one of my favorite Neatos. Just so good and just so fun. Then I have this squishy that like the bottom broke, so I just put clay in it. Same with this squishy. I like this squishy a lot better. Then I have this big jumbo butter. Then I have this tiny butter that I painted. Then I have this banana that has like, I'm still not playing with it because my friend broke it right here and I broke it right there. So both the stoppers are just glued, and if it pops, I'm gonna crash out. But it's just like a clump of clay. Then this is my favorite, like stretchy one. It's an ice cream sandwich. I love it so much. It just feels so good. I also like this duck, just like a rainbow cute duck, you know? Then I have another one of those dumplings. It's just in this color and it has more air in it. Then I have the chicken Neato, just like, it's not really a Neato. It isn't a Neato. The flappers fell off. This donut squishy. This axolotl squishy. 3 Neato nice cubes. Pineapple. This cow random squishy. I found it at Albertsons. This fuzzball that I'm taking the fuzz off at the top. This duck that's broken at the beak because it popped, but I still play with it. And then this other fidget, the marble in it. I like this. It's like a tangler kind of, like not really. Then we have this ball. Then we have this snowball crunch. Then this mochi,